Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Mad 8 today, and today we're just going to do an unboxing for something that's I arranged the courier for.
No handle!
No handle, it must be in there. So in here is a Hoover Junior Deluxe, but it is got a few things wrong with it. So we'll get into this as we get the machine out. Right, pair of scissors, mate.
This is why I don't like to do videos.
They wrapped it well though for considering I arranged.
That's why I just wanted to open it.
Alright.
Straight away. My nails are sold on the key.
What we'll do then, we'll get this one open because he's not really in the mood for this today. Got a bit of an headache. Here it is. This is a Hoover Junior Deluxe in that Snopes greeny colour. It has an issue with the bag door. So if we snip the bag door off, we'll show you what the issue is with it. This one.
Where's the screw?
Should be on there, mate.
No, it's simply screwed.
Yeah.
Taped it on.
As you can see, look. The bag door doesn't work. Now there are ways to fix these. You could just put some double-sided tape, but I've actually got a part.
Screen.
Yeah, we're just going to go get the little one off from the table.
No, I want to see what bag this is. Yuck.
You going to go get that little parcel on the table?
Freaking sugar lumps. I don't do it with my V8. That's what I do.
No, use mine because I'm gonna wash the filters out in a minute.
Which one?
Yeah, I'm washing the filters.
I know little freaking little one. You know I'm charging the battery up and that.
That's all right. Yeah, I'll get that one charged up. So we just
get. There's a bag slipper cider.
Ah, so that's something that we always need. Never got enough of these.
Didn't put the side on.
They got like a turbo power bag on here.
They didn't put the side on.
Didn't they?
No.
Right, so what we'll do, we'll set this. We'll put a nice clean bag in for this one. For the first voyage of this one. We're just going to get.
No, it's got dirt in
Yeah, we ain't worry about that. I can get that in a minute.
She says, I'm going to bake it up now.
So we're just going to, the repair, I've actually got the part, so I'll go get the part. We'll Carl's vacuuming this one out. We don't want this blowing dust around the room, do we, Carl? Well, Carl's out just trying to get rid of the worst of this before we put a nice clean bag in here. We'll just put that bag straight in the bin. I'm not worried about that.
Yup, that's rubbish. Now I can close the bag door.
Is that working? Right, so the issue with this one is, this part is broken.
No.
And incredibly...
Look!
Yeah, don't keep slamming it because you're going to snap the top off. But incredibly, at the time when I bought this machine, and this is one of the reasons why we went for it, Sony was selling, these are new old stock, but in the standard black colour, which Hoover manufacture a lot of their replacement parts in. The black just goes with everything. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go and repair this one with this one.
Back in the saw now.
Alright,
I don't want this to go in my brand new Hoovers.
So what we'll do now, I will actually get this one repaired. I've actually put the part in. It's a quick job there. It doesn't look too bad. It's got a bit black there, so it looks alright.
Plastic bits spoke.
Yeah, we're going to have a look at this. Yeah, the other thing that's wrong with it is this one here. This little like turbo power thing that pulls out. That's broken.
You got Sherry Beth.
But it's been...
You got Sherry Beth, Dad.
Have I? Yeah.
Yes.
But it's been professionally repaired because it's been riveted in. So this looks like it's had some work at the vacuum cleaner shop. Yeah. So what we'll do now...
Shake it all up.
Yeah. Cole's going to put the...
Where's the vacuum cleaner shop?
Don't know. So this is obviously got a... Here is the...
Where's the vacuum cleaner shop?
Sticker. Must be where it come from. It's a U2068, which is a Hoover Junior Deluxe in green, and it's from.
I am spinning. It's around.
It's from September 1977. So this is an early one. We'll let Carl build this one now. So this is something we always need. The bags that will be going in there won't need them. Got it in. Get the screwdriver.
It's a flat end.
Is it a flat end? I put one in. Here.
Good.
It is got a bit of yellow at the bottom, which is standard, so I can treat that. But I'm not obviously going to be.
One of the school noodles are broken. They've not got a bag in it. The bag's aside. It's got a whip in the bag. You know this paper bit?
Yeah.
That's turned off. In.
And it ruined them back in, did it?
In.
School goes through some nail codes, isn't it? Yeah.
We've got a back bit. You know the plugs on the turbo nozzle. I think someone shopped it and it bent.
Ah, right.
Bent. So that's why it's not fitting in anymore.
So this one.
That's why I give it to Siobhan.
This one's obviously going to have a new wire, a new cable put on this.
And let's put this sticking bag in. Let's go and put this normal bag in.
I might have to plug the hole up or something with that one, because it's going to blow the dust out of their house.
Thick.
So a bit of tape over there, a bit of black taping behind there should sort that out.
Let's push this normal bag in. Let's open it up.
So this is the Hoover Starlight bags.
It's not a Hoover Starlight bag.
Yeah, all Junior Deluxe bags, but they've got the rubber flange on them, so it keeps more of the dust in.
Oh,
you could
open this puff.
They had a turbo power bag in there. You got to get them in right, mate. But they're a bit harder than they're new. So yeah, so. All right.
I think it's in now.
It's in now, innit?
Yeah.
It's all right.
And I'm going to open this bag.
Yeah, I'll open it.
Have a high novelty.
So there we have it. It's pretty much prepared now.
50 minutes prepared.
Unbelievably, that part there.
Move the thing on the vacuum machine.
This part here was about a £5, but these are as rare as rocking horse doo-doos. And it was just luck really with it. I mean, I would have just taped it up or something. I didn't fancy a piece of string holding it on, but it is now being repaired.
Our next door with the side machine to wrap the cable.
Yeah, we'll put them out. We'll put that outside.
Let's put that in the freaking bin.
Yeah, that's going to go in the bin. So we'll give this one a quick go now.
It's vintage.
I'm actually going to replace the plug for a white one there. It's got like one of them.
Rat plugs.
Yeah, that's those dual plug things, isn't it? So it's got some little, like a little miniature plug. That one. Never seen one that small.
It's gonna work.
Right, I'll switch this one on. So it's on. I'll put the machine over there. Probably going to be a big puff of smoke coming out of here more likely. So we'll give this one a quick push around. It's only our first video.
That sounds right.
Yeah, that sounds alright. I think it just need a bit of grease on it. Grooming it quite well, so it does have a good set of bristles on this one. The problem in those cleaners is once you start getting into them, it's like opening a can of worms, so we'll just see how this one gets on. You can see the groom mark in the carbon. Is that on the lower setting? That's how they should be. If you hear the beat of car, you know what's set up right.
I make that noise!
Yeah, you can see it, but you can see it. Activation. It wasn't too bad this one overall price-wise. I like to say that, not part of the car back. Wait for another one here. So yeah, reflex on that. Got that. So that's a little rough on there, but like I say, it is over 40 years older than that. Well, that one's running really well. I'm really pleased with that. And actually, this is the first time I've actually, the last one we arranged the courier for, which was a DC-21, never turned up. So I've always been paranoid about arranging couriers. But the seller was good as gold. She sold a set of tools for more than this vacuum, believe it. She had the tools as well, and the actual tool set was more than what I paid for this vacuum.
I've got Hoover Junior Tools and Bit too.
So I wasn't willing, but I'd rather get the Hoover first. I mean, hopefully one day we'll get a set of tools, but they're going to be expensive unless they're on the doorstep. Yeah. So what do you say now, Kyle?
Bye for now.
Thank you very much for watching, and on the next video I'll go through this one. This will have to go back to white again. It is a bit yellow, but that's the normality of these old cleaners. So yeah, it's a bit of a job, but I'll get it done. So thank you very much for watching, and bye from Vacuum Man 8.